3pcs high-quality made in USA Piezo ignition wires for Atwood Wedgewood RV range stoves. To replace original 57553-57554 Piezo ignition wires. 22-inch long high-quality insulation ignition wire with fiberglass shield for 17 to 22 wide stove, not for 23 wide stove. Fitting terminals, mini round contact for igniter, mini quick connect female spade, tool tuned up in June 2021 to ensure fit, on the other end for stove head. 2-year manufacturer warranty against defects. 3pcs high quality made in USA Piezo ignition wires for 17 to 22 Atwood RV range stove to replace original 57553-57554 Piezo ignition wires. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for RC stove. One burner of the stove wasn't working, and when I lifted up the top, I noticed the wire was charred. Must have got caught between the top and the feed tube. Replacement was super easy. Fit perfectly. Burner lights on the first click every time now.